Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today's video we're going to continue my declutter. We're up to my jewelry. So I have all my jewelry for the most part stored on this birdcage rack. I got this on ModCloth like 3 or 4 years ago. I don't know if they still have them. I think they also sell a similar one at Urban Outfitters, I think. But basically it's got hooks on here and I've just arranged all of my earrings on it. The exception to what's not up here is I have some like big chunky bracelets and stuff. I have pins. And I have the kind of earrings that don't have like a hanging back. Those are stored in a separate thing. We'll get to those later. But for now, I just want to clear this out. This is the majority of all of my necklaces and my earrings, and I really haven't gone through these in a while. So let's get started. So first up, this necklace, this pendant I actually got from a friend. It's very pretty. It's purple. It's not like any sort of actual stone, but I don't actually like the necklace that I strung it on. So I would like to keep this, but only if I can find a better necklace. Otherwise, I'm going to ditch the necklace for sure and just keep the pendant. Next, I have this little teeny weeny topaz necklace. I've had this since I was a kid. I just really like this necklace. It's very pretty. This I am going to keep. And then this necklace is like a little opal. I'm not even sure where this came from. I think someone swapped this at like a ladies' night. I just never wear this necklace, and I'm not even saying it's a real opal. I don't think that it is. I just don't think I'm ever going to wear it, and I would rather somebody else did. So this I'm going to get rid of. So this necklace here is a little octopus necklace. I do want to keep this. I just need to do the back of it with clear nail polish to keep it from turning my neck green, but I do like this necklace a lot. That I think was from ModCloth a couple years ago too. This necklace here, this is a actual gold dipped leaf. It's really very pretty. I do want to keep that. And then this is a dragon pendant that I've had for a really long time. I do like this necklace, though I do have to clean it periodically, and I think it's due for another silver polish, so I'm going to try to polish this guy up. So this necklace is my little pea pod necklace, and I think there's pea pod earrings to go with it. I do want to keep this, though I do need a new necklace for it, because this leather cord, I think it's like a waxed cord, is getting ready to break, but I do want to keep the pendant on this. This right here is actually one of my very good pirate necklaces. This is my compass, since I'm the navigator on the ship. And I do definitely want to keep this, and I've already painted it with clear nail polish. It's just weathered to look green at this point, so this I'm keeping for sure. I really never wear this necklace. I never wear this. I need to give this a new home, so I'm going to let this go. Moving on to here, this is just a little necklace that has a little tag that says Imagine on it. I used to wear this all the time, like back in college. I do still wear it every once in a while. I would like to keep it. I do think it needs a little bit of a cleaning though. I got this in New York City. It's from a place called Rebel Designs. It used to have like a jewel that was glued on here that fell off, but I actually like it better this way almost. I'll probably keep most of that jewelry. It's some of my favorites. Yeah, here's a couple more of them. This is one of my very favorite pieces from them. It's so pretty. This one's my cool green one. And then I have this one as well. I don't wear this one as much, so I'm wondering if this one I should still keep. It is very neat, but this one always gets flipped around backwards, which annoys me. So I'm thinking this one's gonna go, actually. And then this necklace is a little bow and arrow necklace. Like literally, there's a bow and there's an arrow. It's cute. I never wear it. It's a little too tight. It was like a junior sizing. I mean, it fits around my neck and all, but it doesn't lay right on the collarbone, so I'm gonna let that go. And then this is actually sort of like a leather head wrap. My friend got this for me. It's super cool. This I'm definitely keeping. It made me laugh when chokers decided to come back into style. This is a little velvet one with some sparklies on it. This one I'm going to keep. I have another choker I think I'm going to get rid of, but this one I'll keep for now. This one's very pretty. I do want to keep this, but I need to remember I have it because I had lost this for a while and I haven't worn it in a bit. Oh, these are two more of those Rebel Design necklaces. This is like one of my very favorite necklaces of all time. Definitely keeping that. And then this one is not quite as awesome, and I did break it a little bit, like it snapped off a piece on the side, but I don't care, I still wear it. I love this necklace too. I don't wear this very often, but I just love it. It's so beautiful. It used to go perfectly with this dress I don't have anymore, but it's just such a neat necklace. I still want to keep that. It's a really cool necklace. I don't wear it for normal life, but I do wear it every once in a while for a show. If I have space for it in the costume drawer now that I've redone it, I might keep it, but otherwise, I don't want to keep it up here. It tangles up in everything. It's actually made out of wire, and then it just hooks across here. I used to wear this all the time, and frankly, I haven't worn it in a couple of years, and the metal's getting kind of gross, so I'm going to see if I can clean this up, but otherwise I might actually have to toss that. And then this is this really cool brass leaf necklace. I actually put it on a cord because the necklace it was on was sort of painful. And then I always have to scrub this or put clear nail polish on the back. So this I need to give a good cleaning to. And then I think I'm going to shellac the back of it. the leaf is supposed to hook here, but I hate wearing this piece of metal. So this I'm definitely going to get rid of. And then this necklace, this is very beautiful. This is from Connie Cullen Jewelry. It's got this beautiful opal in it. I love this necklace. So this actually is a key from Chrono Trigger that I purchased off Fangamer, and it was originally a keychain, and I pulled it off of there, but I didn't actually remove the whole piece of the keychain because I didn't have the right kind of pliers. That's something I need to do because I hate having this little dangly part on that I just have forgotten to sort of remove from it. It doesn't look bad, but it's still there for no reason. I still do really love the necklace. I think it's beautiful, but I haven't worn it recently. I may just put it in with the rest of my costume stuff because I don't wear this for normal life. It's not really suited for that. This is actually a piece of Venetian glass from Venice. I bought this with the pure intention I was totally going to wear this necklace like all the time and think about my trip and all that sort of thing. Well, I don't wear this necklace, and I still have a coat and a pair of boots from that trip, even though that was like 10 years ago, that I still wear on a regular basis. I think it's okay to let this necklace go. And then this necklace I bought a couple years ago because it was sort of like another necklace that I broke, and I never wear this. I think it's time to let this go too. This little birdcage necklace actually used to be a pair of earrings. You bought these on ModCloth. I think they're like 10 bucks. They're always in and out of stock on there. One of the earrings fell off and I lost it because these earrings weigh practically nothing, so you never know that they're in. So I turned it into a necklace instead, which I actually do like wearing. So this I'll still keep. This necklace is my boss key. I got this from Fangamer. I wear this as part of my pirate costume. I love this necklace. Definitely keeping this. This is my Majora's Mask pendant. This I love. I'm definitely keeping that. This is my Triforce necklace, and then it has also the little spiritual stones on the inside of each piece of the Triforce. Definitely keeping this. This necklace is absolutely beautiful. I think this is like an old like shoe decoration. It's really, really cool. This I do need to remember to wear more often. It's a really lovely necklace. I think I will just put this with my costume stuff, and I'm not going to keep it anymore out because I just don't ever really wear it as a normal life. But if I was doing a costume, I'd want to look for this and maybe use it then, but I don't need to keep this out anymore. And this necklace I've had a super long time. I think I got it from like the Loft or something. It's really pretty though. I still want to keep that. And I got this choker from a friend when she was moving, and I wear this a lot. I really like this too. I love the idea of this necklace, that I'm sort of like a mermaid or something when I'm wearing it. But I never wear this necklace. I don't wear it as a costume piece. I don't wear it in normal life. I think it's time to let this necklace go. Oh, and this necklace is also a big favorite of mine. I do love this necklace and I do wear this, so this I'm going to keep. This is one of those really long dangly necklaces. I actually do really like this necklace. It's like one of the only ones I have like this. I do want to keep this. This is another one of my key necklaces. I really like keys, especially Zelda related keys. This I'm keeping for sure. And then I have this necklace, which I super love. It also has matching earrings around here somewhere, and I really love these as well. This necklace is one of those costume pieces that I forget that I have, so I think I'm going to store this with costume stuff because I have some outfits it would definitely go with, but it just takes up space up here, and I never think to wear it for normal life, so this I'm going to put somewhere else. This is my Sheikah symbol necklace. This is one of my favorites. I'm definitely keeping this. And this necklace, I actually wear this as a head wrap sometimes because it winds around my hair twice perfectly, but it's also a really cool necklace. This I'm going to keep. I love the idea of this necklace, but I mean, it was really cheap. It came in a 3-pack, I think, at H&M, so I'm gonna let that go. Oh, I have a couple more of these Rebel design ones. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this necklace. This is from the same company. This is actually the necklace I wore for my wedding, and there's a second piece that also attaches to it that I kept so I could make earrings out of it, so this is pretty cool. Had to do some untangling. Anyway, this necklace, I hate the cord that it's on, but it's really beautiful, so I'm going to find a new necklace for this. This is a necklace I made out of a keychain. This is a shield from Zelda Breath of the Wild, and then on the back you also have a Sheikah symbol, so I was super into this keychain. It's super heavy, but I will use it way more as a necklace than I would use as a keychain, because it's just too heavy to put on my keys. It sort of drags them down to the very bottom of my bag. And I have this little like fake pocket watch. This is super pretty. I bought this at a random little jewelry store in the East Village once, like back in college, and I love this thing. I do wear it on a regular basis. It's just a really cool pendant. And this is a necklace my cousin gave me. It's made of like this stretchy, beady, elastic wire. It's really cool. I do like to wear this. And I have this really interesting like silver choker. It's a neat looking necklace and I never wear it. I'm not even sure where it came from. I'm gonna let that go. Remember when bib necklaces were a thing? Well, I had one, and this one was a really weird, interesting one. I think I'm just going to put this in the costume pieces. I'm never going to wear this as an actual necklace again, but it is pretty cool. Here's the other comically tiny choker. Like, look at this. This is like barely a bracelet size. How am I supposed to fit this around my neck? It's really neat looking, but I never wear it, so I'm gonna let that one go. This is a really cool like gold collar. I do want to keep that. These gray pearls I think are from my brother's trip to China. I do want to keep these. This is some sparkly costume jewelry, but I don't actually like wearing this necklace because it's really scratchy. So this one I think I'm going to get rid of, because if I need like a Art Deco-y back in the day kind of necklace, I'll wear this one that I got from ModCloth instead. So I'll keep that. Well, I guess it's time to move on to earrings, of which there are many. And my husband also has pierced ears, so we will trade our earrings back and forth. So I'm going to run anything I'm getting rid of by him to see if he wants to keep it. But I know there's some stuff that he's handed down to me that I know he doesn't want anymore, and I feel safe getting rid of those. I think from this top row here, I mostly want to keep everything that's up here because I've worn it recently. But these are kind of heavy and they got caught in my sweater the last time I wore them. They're really cool, like my aunt gave them to me. I do like them, but yeah, they ripped a whole chunk of hair out of my head, so these are gonna go. And then actually these Triforce earrings need some rehabilitation to wear them again. The gold is coming off, so I'm gonna see if I can clean them up. On this level, these are a pair of wooden earrings. I don't know how much I wear these, really. Well, I'm gonna table this. I have a couple of other wooden earrings. These I know I wanna get rid of. These are little arrows. I love the idea of these earrings. I never wear them. These are silver feathers. I wore them recently. They're a little heavy, to be honest, and I can get the same effect with a different pair of earrings. So these red ones are what I wear for pirates. These are really cool, actually. I do want to keep these, but I just want to show them. They're actually New York City subway tokens. My aunt gave me those. Those makes me laugh. I can't wait to wear those. Those are pretty fun. So I have these like tinier antlers, and then I have these really big ones. I think the tinier antlers, I'm going to let those go, because I don't think I've been wearing those as much as I have other antler earrings that I do like, so I'm going to let these go. You may be wondering why I have a lot of antler earrings. It's actually a Hannibal thing. I like to wear them when I'm wearing my Hannibal shirt. It's just a little inside joke for me. It amuses me. So these orange ones, they're really interesting earrings, but I almost never wear them. They also get caught on stuff, so I think I'm going to let these go too. These I actually lost for a while. I love these little ones. They're made of glass. They're super cool. These are my blue rupees. I want to keep those. These I want to keep. Yeah, all of this is pretty much keepers. Here's my little peapod earrings. I do want to keep those. These little corn earrings, these were actually from my mom. I'm from Indiana originally, so she thought that was pretty funny. I did too. I just really don't wear them. There's nothing wrong with them. I just never pick them, so I'm gonna let these go. Made a little space on the top two rows. These earrings have a bunch of keys and locks. I'm definitely keeping all of those. You never can see these when I'm wearing my hair down at all, and if I have my hair up, I almost never pick these. So I think I'm gonna let these go. There's nothing wrong with them, I just don't wear them. Then I have these little antlers. These are a copper pair. I have a silver pair here. I'm gonna keep these blue ones. These little brown earrings, I really love them, but they're actually not the same length for some reason. I don't know why, but they've never really been the same length, and it annoys me when I see them, so I never pick them. So I'm gonna let these go. And then we have more of my wooden earrings. These I do think I'm gonna keep. These I think are really cool. And this pair, I just really like the geometric design, so I'm gonna keep those as well. I have a couple pairs of these. I don't like them that much. I more like to play with them like in my fingers as opposed to actually wearing them. So these I think I'm gonna let go. This blue pair is cute and all, but I don't wear them that much. This matches my necklace. I want to keep these. These are pretty hilarious long danglies. I do like to wear those. They look really cool. There's my gold antlers. They were hiding in plain sight. These earrings, I just love them. They're super cool and dangly, but they are kind of heavy, which makes me hesitant if I should keep them anymore. Because frankly, I have this pair. Well, not the same. Gives a similar like aged metal effect, and these weigh nothing, and I like to wear these way more than these. So these I think I'm gonna let go of those. So we'll start from this side and work over. These are my peacock feather earrings. I'll keep those for now. I've worn them a couple of times. They will eventually completely disintegrate. I'm sort of wearing them until that happens. These we just looked at. I want to keep those. These earrings are kind of heavy, but it's sort of like this weird robot art deco thing going on, and I really like them, so I want to keep those. Those are from ModCloth for sure. I don't know if they still have those, but they were really cool. And then I have several pairs of these. This is my blue pair. I have sort of a clear pair. These are the ones I wore for my wedding. An orange pair and a black pair. I wish I could remember the store name. I just can't right now. But I'm keeping all of those. These are some plain basic black ones. I almost forget that those are there. I'm going to rearrange where those are sitting for later. So I wonder if my husband might like those instead. So I'm gonna get rid of those. So I have these earrings. I don't wear these very much, but they are really comfortable. And when I have the right outfit, they look really cool. So those I want to keep. These are super heavy and I can't wear them, but they're by my favorite jewelry company. I've been meaning to turn them into a necklace and I haven't gotten around to it. I need to go to the craft store and get some necklaces and make some new necklaces out of some of these pendants, or else I don't need to keep them anymore because I've just been holding on to them forever. All right, I'm gonna do some rearranging and I'll put my other necklaces back on and then we'll see where we're at. All right, and here's how it looks like now. I feel like it's a lot easier for me to see what I have, and I have all of my favorite stuff more forward, so I can definitely tell where it is, and I'll know to wear it then. I went through and counted 12 pairs of earrings, and I think 12 necklaces, possibly 13. There's 2 that might be tangled together, but based on what I can see in the box, looks like 12 necklaces. I'm throwing away the cords for 2 necklaces. I have 2 other necklaces that I'm doing some rehab on, and a pair of earrings I need to clean up as well. But overall, I think that's pretty good. I feel much better about looking at this. It no longer seems so daunting or like there's just way too much stuff to even deal with it. I have some other jewelry I'll go through another day, but this is the stuff I wear the most often, so I'm glad to go through this. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the content on this channel. If so, please subscribe, and I will see you all soon. Bye!